And I just have one more thing to say. We made it. Holy crap. We just got down from Stairway to Heaven. We came through the back way, and as you can see, there's this sign behind me, and that's not the way. You gotta go a little bit further that way and then turn to the river again. We went straight ahead and we got lost. I didn't really do a video specific for this vlog. We got an awesome drone footage, so I decided to make this vlog as soon as I got down, and I think you guys are gonna like it. I plan to do a lot of videos of hikes in Hawaii, and I think it's gonna be very awesome. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up so I know that you guys like the idea of me recording videos as well, and comment down below if you like this video, if you like the footage of Stairway to Heaven. This is the most amazing hike I have ever done. It's about 9 hours now that we are doing it. We arrived at 7 a.m. here, and now it's 3:40, so it took us 3 hours and 40 minutes to go up, and it's a little bit hard. It's slippery, it's muddy, but it's such a nice hike, and it's actually the best hike I have ever done. I am dying, so bring water, bring some food as well, because I'm starving and I just had a bar. So I highly recommend coming to this hike, and I hope you guys enjoy all the footage we got. Come with like good shoes to hike. They recommend Spark, but I have a basic Adidas one, and just be ready. We came through the legal way to Stairway. There's another way that is shorter, that is through the stairs, but we didn't want to take the risk to get a fine or a ticket of $1,000. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Comment down below what is your favorite hike in Hawaii, or any favorite hike you have ever done. And yeah, give a thumbs up. Aloha, bye.